Hi guys, let us today understand what is star delta conversion and how it can simplify uh, the circuits to find out equivalent resistance. So, what is a star circuit? It looks like something like this. There is a resistance here, in another resistance is here, another resistance is there. This is called a star circuit. So, 1, 2, and 3. Let's name it like R1, R2, and R3, and the delta circuit will look like something like this. So let us name it like 1, 2, and 3. So the resistance here is 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, how to find the equivalent resistance? The concept is that when I'll find out the equivalent resistance, we'll find out the equivalent resistance between 1 and 3, for example. So when I'll look for the equivalent resistance from 1 and 3, we'll look into it from this angle. Similarly, when I'll find out the equivalent resistance of this circuit between 1 and 3, I'll look it at from this angle. Similarly, first let us do it. So in case of star connected circuit, if I try to find out the equivalent circuit looking at this, so this will be kind of an open circuit. So r equivalent between 1 2 would be like r1 plus r2, sorry, r3. Similarly, r equivalent here would be like these two are in series and this is in parallel, r13. It is like r equivalent for this equal to r13 in parallel to r12 plus r23, right? So how much is that? So it will be R13 into R12 plus R23 by R13, uh, R12, oh sorry, R13 plus R12 plus R23. Now this equivalent must be equal to this equivalent. So we can write R1 plus R3 should be equal to this. So this is one equation. In the same way, we can come up with equations like R2 plus R3 equal to something, and again R1 plus R2 equal to something. So now we need to find out the similarities, right? So R1 plus R3, it becomes R13 here, R13. So what will happen here? R23 into R12 plus R13, right? Don't get confused with this. And the below part will remain same, R12 plus 23 plus 13. Same way, what will happen here? It will be like R12 into R23 plus R13 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. So these are three formula. Now look at it. What we can do is We can just replace. There are three equations, right? The equation, this was his equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. So with these three equation we have to find out three things. So we can now, I don't want to do this calculation, but just let me show you how much is this. So the final calculation is, let's say R1 is equal to R12 R13 by R12 plus R uh, R13 plus R23, right? So this is the R1. Similarly, the R2 equal to R23 23 R 1 2 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. Similarly, R3 equal to R13 into R23 by 1 2 plus R23 plus R31. So we need to remember it, using this notation. We will never forget it. That is the key. When there is R1, we need to remember this. This one is above this one. So R1 to 1 3, and R1 to 1 3 2 3. All three are always there in the denominator, right? So that is the tricks to remember. Now let me show one example how it makes a circuit simplified. So let us understand, there is a voltage source, and there is resistance like this. There is one more resistance here, and there is one more resistance here. There is one more resistance here. There is one more resistance here. There is let's one more resistance here, right? Now let us keep it like this only, otherwise. Okay, so this is R1, R2, R3, R4. Let's say it is R5, R6, and this is R7. This is E, right? Now look at it. This circuit. This is actually delta. You know, this is the delta circuit, right? Hope you are understanding. This is a delta. Now we can convert this delta into star. I'm not going to do this calculation, but I want to show you how it will look like. Let's say we number this one, this is 2, and this one is 3. All right. So if this is the scenario, uh, how it will look like, it will look like something like this. So this will be resistance 1, this will be the resistance 2, and this will be the resistance 3. Now just see this resistance, after that these are series, this resistance, after that this is series. So this has become a simple series parallel circuit. Now this is in series, so we can go with simply addition. If this is, let's say, R1 R2 and R3, then this R2 and R5 will be the addition, and this R3 and R6 will be the addition. After that, we just need a parallel circuit to draw. R2 plus R5 should be in parallel to R3 plus R6. With this, R1 will be in series, right? R1 will be in series, so it can be added. And then, and also the R7 will be in series. So this is a very simple circuit to find out the equivalent resistance. That is how star delta conversion helps. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt and you need further clarity, please comment below. I will reply.